Build strategic IT asset management planning in 2023. The transformative impact of technology on businesses has been rapid and profound. As companies adapt and evolve, their IT assets undergo continuous change. Strategic ITAM planning is essential to ensure competitiveness. Technology assets are the backbone of smooth business operations. Properly managing these assets can reduce costs, improve security, and increase productivity. An IT asset management plan outlines objectives, processes, and procedures to efficiently and securely handle a company's IT assets. A well-crafted ITAM plan brings forth multiple benefits, including 1. Improved visibility and control. Enhanced understanding of hardware, software, and services used within an organization leads to informed decisions about IT resource utilization and allocation. 2. Enhanced IT resource utilization. Proper ITAM ensures that the right resources are used for the right tasks, optimizing efficiency and reducing costs. 3. Cost savings. Smart management minimizes hardware and software costs and associated support and maintenance expenses. 4. Regulatory compliance. ITAM keeps an organization aligned with security measures and industry standards, preventing liabilities and fines. Asset management encompasses optimizing physical and financial resources for maximum value and ROI. A strategic asset management plan outlines objectives, processes, and criteria for success, ensuring efficient resource management. The process involves assessing current asset status, evaluate the current state of assets, inventory, condition, risks, and opportunities. Developing asset planning processes. Craft processes in line with business needs and mission, focusing on acquiring, utilizing, maintaining, and disposing of assets. Effective IT asset management will be pivotal in the success of businesses in 2023. A strategic ITAM plan aids in reducing costs and maintaining competitiveness in the evolving technological landscape. Implementing a comprehensive plan ensures staying ahead of the curve and thriving in the years ahead. Read our full blog, Build Strategic IT Asset Management Planning in 2023 at Infraon blog.